Joshua Garrett is rounding up support for his father-in-law, George Copeland, as he spends most of his days on the road. Copeland, a truck driver and Army Reserve soldier from Florida, has an 800-mile journey ahead. He'll spend the first part of this week hauling military equipment from South Carolina to Michigan.
Let's face it, a truck driver is kind of the lifeblood of our country right now. Getting medical supplies where it needs to go, getting food to the people it needs to get to. And I think a lot of times they're kind of afterthoughts.
With restaurants closing and business hours changing due to COVID-19, Copeland said it's been difficult to stock up on food and other necessities.
The hours that I'm putting in, it's very difficult for me to get to any type of grocery store or a Walmart or anything like that. So it was days when I started realizing the importance of trying to get somewhere to get supplies.
Garrett has found a way to help. He formed an outreach group on Facebook that now has 250 members from all parts of the country.
It warms my heart that the country, where they may not have even given any thought to the truck drivers before now, that they're starting to realize the importance of us and the things that we do.
People have checked in from Florida, Delaware, Utah, Arizona, and dozens of other states, offering options for food and places for Copeland to stay.
I think it's very therapeutic for those who are part of the group to feel like they have a purpose during this time where they're kind of stuck inside. It's getting our minds off of what's happening in the world.
Users can access the group by searching Let's Help George on the Road. In Fairfield, Iowa, Beth Walden, KTVO News.